What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. And today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today's going to be the beginning of my coverage of the OnePlus Open. I've had the OnePlus Open in my possession for a while now, but I haven't really got to do anything with it because life got in the way. I want to give a shout out to my brother, B, and give thanks. I give thanks every day that you're still with us. And I want to give thanks for my other family members and friends that have had health crisis in the recent months. Much love to you all. We give thanks that you guys are still with us. I swapped my SIM in full-time into the OnePlus Open as I prep for the coming of my pre-order, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. And that device is very similar in size to the OnePlus Open, actually a little bigger. The screen is a little bigger, a little wider, and you know, I'm gonna miss using my trusty Pixel Fold. As you guys know, if you follow the channel, I'm a big foldable guy, and the Pixel Fold was my favorite device of 2023, and I continue to use it as my daily driver, even after testing multiple devices. So jumping to the new one, I'm looking forward to that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna be full-time on the OnePlus Open, and I figured the best way to kind of test the cameras for you guys is to do a little vlog style video. And today actually is a fun day for me because my family and I recently relocated to the Sunshine State. And one of the places I've really missed has been microcenter. Now, for those who are just getting introduced to me, I've worked in IT and been in the technology space for over 20 plus years. I've been fixing and building computers since my teenage days, and the risk of dating myself, back then, my go-to place was the now out of business, defunct CompUSA. And when CompUSA went out of business, when I had specific things that needed to be done for my clients, whether it was setting up a network, building a computer, for computer components, parts, accessories, you name it, for those things that you typically had to order on the internet, if you wanted to go see it physically, in person, microcenter was the go-to spot, and I missed that since moving to the Sunshine State. So I'm gonna take my journey to the early grand opening of microcenter in Miami, Florida. I've reached my destination, and one of the good things about microcenter is most times, especially compared to Best Buy, the associates in there are pretty knowledgeable. These are guys who build computers, have a technical background of some sort. So let's take a walk through. I'm gonna see how it is compared to the microcenters I've been to in the past up in the Empire State. So I'm here in microcenter, and it is super crowded as there are a number of people who have early access to the grand opening of microcenter here in Miami. So, these are 3D printers. Here you have everything from TVs, stereo systems, electronic components, computer components, and everything you probably think of microcenter has when it comes to electronics and those things that people generally look for on the internet because they can't get it in the store like Best Buy. So I'm here. I'm gonna see if I can get a couple of things. One of the main things that I was looking for is I recently did a computer build, and that build was in a mini ITX case. I used the SSUPD Metrum D to give me some extra desk space for my production PC for the channel. But from what I'm seeing now is that I am going to probably require a case that has more of a vertical orientation, because that orientation will help me save space on the desk. So if they have the SSUPD Mushroom S, then more than likely I might switch to that and swap my components into that case. Also too, there's another case by Cooler Master that I'm interested in seeing because I might swap to that. Like I said, it's crazy busy, excuse me, here in microcenter, and I'm looking for where the cases are so that I can check out the display units of the many ITX cases that I need to build in. Okay, let's see. We're in the computer case section. This is the case I was looking for. The Cooler Master Anycore 100 Max Mini ITX case. Also, I was interested in the fractal cases, but they might not have enough space to house the graphics card and the AIO cooler that I use currently in the Metron D. So everything you need, you name it, they have it. Mission accomplished. That place is like a playground for us computer nerds. They have any and everything you can imagine. I think you get an idea of what this camera is capable of. Like I said before, it's not quite the same as my Pixel Fold, but it has some pretty darn good hardware. That place was packed. You could tell the Sunshine State was waiting for microcenter to finally open its doors. But thankfully, I was able to get in. It took a while to get out, but I'm out now. Time to get back home and do my component swap. I ended up picking up the Mushroom S. The vertical orientation will be a little bit better than the actual, coming out, than what I have now with the Mushroom D. Mind you, I love that case. Very minimalistic, small. It's able to hold the large graphics card that I needed it to hold. And the Mushroom S will do the same. So, looking forward to getting started on that build. Let me know your thoughts. on the camera quality of the OnePlus Open, and I'll have more content to come. Remember, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification icon to be notified when I drop another video. And also, remember to spread love, positivity, and be helpful to someone in this world today. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.